Hello kids, we're going on a musical adventure today. We'll explore some amazing instruments that make wonderful sounds and create incredible music. Are you excited? Let's begin. First, there's the piano. It's like a special box with musical keys. When you touch these keys, they make pretty notes. It's like a big musical puzzle you can play with. Next, we have the guitar. It's got strings you can gently strum or pluck to create cool tunes. You can make rock, pop, or even folk music with it. It's a versatile instrument. The violin is another beautiful instrument. It looks like a tiny fiddle when you use a special bow to sweep across its strings. It sings with a sweet, melodic voice, like a friendly songbird. Now, let's chat about the trumpet. It's a shiny brass instrument with buttons. When you blow into it, it can make sounds as bright as a sunny day or as strong as a superhero's heroic theme. Drums are all about rhythm and beats. They come in different shapes and sizes, and you can use your hands or drumsticks to create exciting rhythms. It's impossible not to dance when you hear them. The flute is like a slim tube. If you blow into it gently, it produces soft, delicate sounds, like telling a musical secret to the world in a quiet voice. The saxophone is super cool with its unique shape. When you blow into it and press the keys, it plays groovy, soulful melodies that make you want to sway and dance. The harmonica is small and powerful, like a tiny friend you carry in your pocket. By blowing into it and moving it around, you can create bluesy tunes that sound amazing. The xylophone is a colorful instrument with wooden bars. You can tap these bars with mallets, creating cheerful and bright tunes. It's like a rainbow of music. Lastly, we have the tambourine. It's a fun instrument with little jingles that make delightful sounds when you shake it or tap it. It's perfect for joining in with your favorite songs. So, kids, today we've learned about these 10 fantastic instruments. And each of them has its special personality and makes beautiful music. You can play them, listen to them, or dance to their rhythms. Instruments are here to bring joy and creativity to our lives. Remember, you can explore the magical world of music whenever you like. Keep enjoying music. And we'll see you next time. Goodbye.